Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 Hemi MDS VVT, STD, diesel gray-black premium cloth bucket seats included, power lumbar adjust 115-volt auxiliary power outlet bucket seats, rear 60/40 split folding seat, folding flat load floor storage, power 10-way driver seat, full-length upgraded floor console, diamond black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7 LV8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, rear view auto dim mirror, leather wrapped steering wheel, rear dome with on-off switch lamp, LED bed lighting, glove box lamp, bright billets grille, auto dim exterior mirrors, Bighorn regional package, Bighorn badge, security alarm, power heated